Tell me, Vivek. Yes, I am able to see your screen, but
He left the
okay,
meeting.
he left. I think he has a network issue. Okay, anyway, he will join soon. So, Deepa, tell me, and Obey, like, did you practice yesterday's session?
So I didn't get time to practice.
Okay, and what about you, Obey?
Yeah, I did practice yesterday.
Okay, so
Sir, I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know if I have everything
sure, sure.
installed in my system.
Yeah, sure.
Mm. My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
So install this Feature Studio. Actually, sir, I don't know how to where to write the program and how to execute. Actually, one of the developer helped me to get this all here. So can you please?
Okay, so I'll just run a basic program to get exact knowledge.
Actually,
Okay, like how
how
to
to create a new
exactly,
uh,
exactly.
project?
Okay, you just stop sharing. I'll let you know.
Okay. Okay. Anything I need to present you?
No, no, no. You just stop
Uh,
sharing
okay.
because in your case you use the hook before each. So right now we are not dealing the hook right now. Simple, we are running the describe and eat block. So you just stop sharing. I'll
Okay.
let you
Okay.
know how it works.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So for what purpose we install npm and
Yeah. I'll just
yeah.
share my screen. Can you see my screen here?
Yes.
Okay. You see here. What I'll do.
So for what purpose we use describe?
I'll explain all this stuff. Just wait. See, when you install the Cypress, you use npm, correct? So npm stand for Node Package Manager.
Okay.
Okay. So like you have a Node JS system. It is an
Yes.
environment by which you can run JavaScript based application. Okay. So whatever be the like packages you want to execute or to install in your system, you use npm. So once, like for example, if you want to install Cypress in your machine, you just write on npm install Cypress. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Before installing Cypress, you need to install JSON file, package JSON file. Okay, so like if you want to install, you use npm node package manager. So once you have the cypress in your machine, if you want to open the test runner, in that case you just write on npx cypress open, by which you can open your test runner. So here one thing comes in the picture, like what is the difference between npm and npx. So as I told you, npm is node package manager.
Okay.
Okay, node package manager, and nps is node package executor. Like whatever the packages you have in your machine, if you want to execute it, you use npx. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes.
like in my system, suppose it's to, if suppose it's a new one, okay, for you. So how to start this one? Just give this slash triple forward sign. Okay, use your reference now. Reference types equal to cypress. Okay. So why I'm writing this reference type cypress? What it gives to me? Like if you see, I always write on this. Whenever you start, see reference type cypress. Can you see this one?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So see if I compare this one to this one. Reference types equal to cypress. So just remove the space here. Reference types equal to cypress. Okay. Now basically by writing this reference type cycle, so we are just telling our editor, this VS Code, that we are dealing with cypress. So in that case, if I just write on describe here DES, so I am getting this suggestion box here. Can you see this
Right.
one? So
Yes.
if you don't mention this the reference type Cypress, you will not get the suggestion box here for Cypress.
Okay.
So to get the suggestion box, we write like this. Okay. And second thing, in Cypress, we use Mocha framework like describe and it blocks.
Which, which framework, sir?
Mocha, MOC,
Mocha.
Mocha.
Okay.
The describe and it are the Mocha's framework. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, if you see describe, why do you use describe? So describe is nothing but collection of test suits, and and it is individual test cases. Okay, so whenever you're writing something, like first you need to write describe, and inside describe you have to write on the it block. Got it?
Mm, yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Test suit uh, is nothing but list of test cases, right?
Pardon?
A test suit is a list of test cases, right?
Yeah, in test, like for
The
instance,
collection of.
yeah, collection of test should means one, like for example, if I take one example for you, okay? So see, I don't here describe. Now suppose in your scenario you have to open the Google web page. So you are on the
Okay.
like to verify the Google web page. Okay. Now after this writing, you just write on the comma, use callback function. Okay. Now inside this describe, you have to write on the it block. Write on the it block here. Now first write on open the Google website. Okay. So as many as it block you can write inside this it describe block. Now you just write down here cy.visit https www.google.com. Got it?
Yes.
So this describe you written, and inside the describe you have to add on the it block. So this is the collection of test suits. Inside describe you can write as many as it block. So like this version, right now the
Okay.
version we are using right now is more than 12. So here what happened, if suppose if I write more than two it block, so there is some like preserve cookies, getting displayed here. So in that case, I'm only writing the one it block. But previously, what happened? You can write as many as it block if you want. You can write on that one. So see, I'll
Oh,
explain you what happened right now. See. So if I want to run, first save it, go to terminal, new terminal. Now write down here,
okay.
give the command to open the test. This one, test runner. I close this test runner. Okay, now I want to open the test runner here. I just write down npx cypress open.
So you're not audible.
Yeah, once again.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Vivek.
Sir, actually, in the last day you said कि Cypress didn't support two it blocks in single describe means single test suite.
Yeah.
So how we can collaborate all the test cases in single suite now in the current means latest Cypress?
So I told you now, once we start the cookie, how to preserve cookies, then we'll let you know how to. Yesterday only I told you na, Vivek.
Okay.
Yeah, first we see all the scenario, then I'll let you know how to preserve cookie. So see if I go to Google. Now see I'm getting this error here. Module not found.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Second, I just hmm, entire screen. Better. Can you see? After running this, I'm getting this error here. Now this case scenario get run. Okay. Now what happened? In this version, latest version. So if suppose if I write another it block inside the describe. Okay. I remove this one as if I don't want this one. If suppose if I write here another it block inside describe here. Suppose it enter some string into the Google text box. Okay. So I just go and collect the locator for the Google one. Right click, go to inspect. So I'll just open this one Google for you to understand better. See in this Google, I want to enter some string into this text box. So what I'll do, I'll just right click here, go to inspect, and I'm just finding the locator here. So I can find by using the formula. Correct? Which formula, Vivek? Do you remember? Obey and Vivek?
Yeah.
Yeah, which
I
formula I
think
mean?
you could have had at least one class with her
What?
before she will be with us the level we are. You could have had a class with her, at least one or two classes, because so that we will be at the same level. Because you are rushing her too much. You are rushing her. She's not getting a lot of things because you go too far and come back. Because this we have done it long time ago. I think the second or third class, and she've not done a lot of things. So you could have at least one or two classes. Then we do everything together
Actually, the
so that
problem
she will not get
actually the problem is that she's not following the link also. I share the link also to Deepa to follow the link.
Actually,
So
sir, I
she,
will try this weekend
yeah,
because I'm not getting much time because I have to complete my office work and then that is why.
yeah, that is the reason, I'm getting a little bit difficult to teach everyone coming here, after 1 week or 2 weeks. So Deepa strictly follow the link, first and second. So like other people also
Okay, sir.
can, yeah, yeah, because this was the first
No
section.
worries. You can skip this, sir. I can clear my doubts in weekend or any other time. No worries.
Yeah,
maybe like tomorrow you can take her alone where I might not, maybe we can skip tomorrow and you take her only tomorrow. Teach her all the basics she need. Then on Thursday, we will all have the class together, you know, so that we will all be at the same page.
yeah, that's correct.
Maybe tomorrow you can take only Deepa tomorrow alone, you know, teach her all
But
the
still,
basics
but
she needs.
but still, Obe, I cannot cover in 1 hour. All whatever you have teach. I just want to teach her the basic one. Like today, why I'm teaching, what I'm teaching to her, how to write on the eat and describe block. That's all. Nothing else. Once
Okay.
she knows now how to write describe it, then it will be okay. She can do because we have already shared the link to her.
Tomorrow,
Um,
I won't be interrupting you all, so don't worry.
Yeah, no, see Deepa, do one thing. You have links. You follow that links. Already, I'm explained in that link. You have not. You can ask to me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, that is okay.
Yeah, so you understand how to write on the describe and eat block. And okay, don't worry, I'll take half an hour more today. Okay, don't worry.
yeah, I'm okay. It's
Yeah,
just about her.
yeah. So now you understand, Deepa, how to write describe and eat block. How to write this one.
Yes, sir.
What are
Yes.
describe? What are npm, npx?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you follow the link also. I'll explain you side by side. Okay, and tomorrow we'll discuss like what I'll take you alone or we'll join other also, like we'll discuss after this class. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. That's fine.
Okay. So okay, good. So we move further. So yesterday I told to I have given you an assignment like whatever I taught you using next. So I have given assignment to you to use previous, correct, instead of next. So how many of you have done the assignment?
I completed, sir.
You're great, great. And what about Obe?
Which assignment?
Yesterday I have given you assignment that you have to use previous function instead of next function.
Okay, I just did the. Okay, let me see.
Did you complete or not?
No, I just did the code and I didn't do the previous. Okay, maybe
Okay, so yeah, Obe
I did
haven't.
only the. Is it Nest?
Okay, don't worry. The Vivek has
I
completed.
did only Nest. I practiced only with Nest.
Okay, okay, no worry.
Yeah.
Vivek has done the assignment. Vivek, can you share your screen to me?
Sir, actually, I have network issue, so I joined from mobile. But I can tell you what means what I did. So in this current means yesterday,
Yeah.
what we did, we going from first column to second column, right?
Okay.
So in that
Okay.
in
One
means
second.
in
One
today's
second.
assignment,
One second. One second. I'll
hmm,
just add on.
yeah,
I'll just add on here. You're using next function.
here we using next,
One second.
and today's assignment we use
One second. And now
prep
I'll just
function.
copy this one. Just wait.
Yeah,
I'll just copy this one and just paste here. Now I'll
okay,
already using previous function. Correct?
right,
Yeah. Now tell me. I'll just open the comment here.
okay.
Yeah. Now tell me.
You just scroll up now. Okay. So
Yeah.
now
Hmm.
we want to locate first column. Oh,
Okay.
okay. So we need to select second column.
Okay. I
Okay,
selected.
in that locator, yes. So
Yeah.
locator is selected now. We added each iterator,
Okay.
added the element index and element and index. In
Okay.
that passes the string. Okay, in
Okay.
that in this if method,
Hmm.
we need to include dollar means rupees 2000 or something means
Exactly.
whichever present.
Let me check.
Okay,
Let me go here. One second. I have to
so
copy as it is.
if
One second. One second. I have to copy as it is.
yeah, okay,
Yeah. This one is 2000 rupees. Comma also I have to copy as it is.
yeah. Hmm. So if
Yeah.
this string include this value,
Hmm.
then we can add one get function
This
in
one
that
also.
passes the index. This is also need to true. True
Okay.
means 02. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we passes the index at what index we found this above value.
Very good.
Okay. So we added a next function here.
Hmm.
So now we need to use preview function because we need to
Exactly.
go back means go
Exactly.
to the previous column, first column,
Yeah. If preview is there.
preview function.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we can store we can then dot then function
Mm-hmm.
dot then price. In that we added one attribute like const price text. In that we
Yeah. No,
stored.
it is. No, it is not price. No, it is a article shift fees. Correct.
Yeah, but
So,
it is user defined. We
this
can
is CA
we
course fees,
can
na? So you can just
yeah,
write down fees instead of price.
yeah,
Correct?
yeah. But it is
Fees.
user defined. We can give like a user at
You
as
can
per
write
the
the
user
course
defined,
fees.
right? Okay,
Yes. Okay. Now course fees you are changing to text.
text. Yeah, and after that we add one assertion. We expect this price text dot equal to
One second.
2000. If
Uh,
this is correct, then our assertion
course.
should pass.
Okay. Very good. Now this one is your article fee ship,
Course fees.
correct?
Yes, RT for, yeah. If this matches, then our test case should
Okay,
pass. Like,
let me check you are correct or not. First, I'll save it.
we first, sir, we need to comment first describe block.
Yeah. Comment on describe what?
No, no, first we the first describe box we commented or not? I'm just, yeah. This is commented. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
then
yeah.
fine.
Already
Okay,
commented. Oh,
okay.
so the website get open. Now it's searching for the locators. Now it's giving the error here. See whatever error is giving me.
Sir, we not write the preview function correctly.
Yeah,
PR we need to give bracket.
yeah, it's a function, no? Correct.
Yeah.
See, I get the answer here. So what happened? We come here, and after coming here, we're grabbing this value. So once you are here, if you want to go back, you use previous function. And suppose if you are here, if you want to go ahead, you can use next function. Idea is clear? Hello?
You said?
Yes.
Yes, Obe.
Yeah, repeat.
Okay. See, yesterday we have seen that we are here in this column, or you can say in this cell we are here, article sheaf, and we want to grab this value. So from here to here, we use next function.
Yeah.
But in this today's lecture, what we did, we are here and we want the previous value. So
Yeah.
we use previous function here. And suppose if there is some value is there, you can use next here.
Yes.
So in this way, you can use the previous and next function. This one is your previous function you use here. And in this case, you use the next function. So for next, you are in the child one, means column one. In the previous one, you are in column two. Got it?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, great.
Sir, what is EQ? EQ next time. Yes. This
Uh,
is
E-
built-in function or
EQ
something.
is a function which deal with the
Okay.
index. Okay, like for example, like here we write index, correct? So in this
Yes.
case, in each iterator, when the element changes, so it indexes also get changed, and we are grabbing the
Yes.
index, current index. So EQ is is a function required to grab the index.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, here in program we haven't defined even and index all these characters. We
Pardon?
haven't de- we haven't defined this variable here even and index.
See,
There is no
see,
declaration, variable
this
declaration,
this each
declaration.
this each iterator, inside the each iterator, what I have, whatever I have defined here, element, index, list.
Mhm,
Okay.
mhm.
So they don't require the variable like constant, str. You can say data type. We don't want data type for this one. Like also in case of then function, we don't want the data type for this course fees. But when you are
Okay.
assigning something, like for example, this EL you have written without data type, but if you want to assign this one to some variable, so in that case you define the
Mhm.
data type. This one is constant.
Okay.
So as if now for each iterator for 10, this should be, there's no need to describe the data type.
Okay.
Like index, you can grabbing from here index. It's a format of each iterator.
Okay.
And also in the describe, we have written like this cypress on uncaught exception. You know why? Because sometime what happened because of some network problem or some cross origin issues coming, so we getting the exception error. So that's why to get rid of that one, we use this uncaught exception here. By default, you are adding this one.
So exception handling is done.
Exactly. Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have covered the web head, how to handle the web table. This was a very important topic in Cypress, how to handle the web table. Okay, so up till now, what we have covered up till now, like this was the basic one. This was the basic one. We have covered the locator using the tag name, attribute value formula. Using the ID, we have covered blank attribute. We have covered how to get, remove the blank attribute and each iterator. We covered this one, each iterator and web table. Got it? Hello?
Sir, I have one. Hello, sir. I have one question.
Yeah, yeah,
So in the class, we need to remove the blank space. Okay, means if we access the locator by using the dot class, we need to remove the blank space, right?
yeah.
So for the ID locator, the means we need to same like we need to also remove the blank space while using the hash instead of ID.
I haven't see
We
ID
need,
having spaces.
yeah,
Spaces.
but if
I
space is only happening in the
spaces, whatever the spaces I have
class.
seen, it is come only in class locators, not ID.
Come only in class. Okay, okay,
If you
okay,
have
okay,
if you have any ID which having space, let me know.
okay. Mhm. Okay.
Like I understand that what is your question like? Like in class, if you have space, we put dot. So same as for ID, if you
Yes,
have space,
correct.
can we put hash? Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, for remove the space. But in my experience, I haven't seen up till now that ID having spaces.
Mhm.
So if you found
Yeah, yeah,
anyone, let
okay.
me know.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I think Obe, you clear about this concept. I'm waiting for your question, but you haven't asked me
What is that?
that how to remove this remove attribute target, or you can say how to
We've
handle
done
the.
that before.
Yeah, yeah.
We've done that.
You don't know, na?
I said we've done that already.
What did I am not getting Obe.
Repeat your question.
What I'm saying, have you finished the how to handle child web tab?
Yeah, we did child type.
We did correct. You know how to remove the target attribute and all using invoke function.
Yes, and it's not how to handle child type.
This is a
How to
workaround.
use
This is
remove. How to use invoke remove attributes. Right?
yeah. This one will be done. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, yeah, correct. Okay, guys. So now we move to our next session. I'll just give comment to this. I don't want right now. One second. I'll just stop sharing.
Sir, are we going to get any notes for Cypress?
No. Only you are getting
No.
the link. Like whatever we are doing. No. Or for the notes, you just go the Cypress official document. Okay. I'll just share my screen now. So see if you go now like this io dot Cypress.
Sir, actually, I'm asking for like locators and all these
Yeah,
things.
yeah. See this one is
Your
documentation.
teaching.
You just go here. This is an official documentation. You can get all the detail.
Okay, so this have all the knowledge like how to declare locators and
Yeah, you just follow my link, na Deepa. The first chapter link you follow, you will get all the detail how to that do that one. Okay. Hello.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, you just follow the link. In that link, I have mentioned already that how to define locators using class ID. Okay, you just follow that link. If you have doubt, let me know then. Yeah, just see you are not sync with this class now, so you just need hard work. For only for little 2 or 3 days. You just require the basic one. Once you get the basic one, how to define, how to write on each block, describe block, and like locators, so you can be sure that whatever you are doing, you can understand easily. Just just make a time to do this one. Yeah. Okay. So I think Obi, you have done this one dynamic drop down, correct? How to verify the dynamic
Yeah.
drop down button? Yeah. I think Vivek and Deepa haven't done this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we'll see the how to automate the dynamic drop down. Okay. So I'll just open one site here. So see, in India website you can see much element to practice, like you can see the calendar here, you can see the static drop down, you can see the dynamic drop down here. Okay, you can get many stuff here. So today we'll see how to handle dynamic drop down. Okay, so before you learn the dynamic drop down, can you just let me know what is the difference between static and dynamic drop down?
Sir, means in the dynamic, the DOM is continuously changing, and
Okay.
static means DOM is not changing simultaneously. Like
Okay, so in this case, which one is dynamic and which one is static?
which one, sir?
Among these elements, which one is dynamic and which one is static? Can you guess?
You
Hello?
are you asking everybody? What is the question?
I'm asking to Vivek, like among these elements,
Okay.
which are dynamic and which are static. Can you know? Can you guess?
From to two, sir, these are dynamic. It means
Okay, from and to
from
is
or to,
dynamic. Okay, very good. And which one is static?
and adult children are static.
Exactly. So see here, Deepa,
Yes, sir.
this was the basic one. Like this one is also a drop down. This one is also a drop down, but it's a dynamic one. How a dynamic one? See, I just click here, and if I write A here, I'm getting the list of A string. Can you see? If I click B here, I'm getting the list of B. Whatever that I want, I can get it. Here also two. So this one is a dynamic. It changes every time. See like this. List get changes, but in a static drop down, if you click this, so this one is remain as it is, 1 to 9. In 0, 0 to 9, it's a fixed. This one is fixed. Okay, but here it's not fixed. Got it? So now how to handle this one? How to enter the value in this text box, which is dynamic? We'll see today. Okay, and I'll give you assignment to complete for 2 1. Okay, today I'll do with from, you can go for 2. Obey, you also have done this one, but what I want that you can do once again. Okay, so we can practice for it.
What is that?
Yeah,
As from and to?
from, I'll complete today from, you just do the 2 1 like previous you have done, no?
Okay. Check.
Okay, Obey.
Okay, I've done two. So remaining from.
Yeah, today I'll complete the from, you do 2 as assignment. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, this one you have completed, I think.
Yeah. Let me check. I've done
Yeah, you have done that one. So
carrier, carrier airports,
yeah, you have done
India.
all this stuff. You have done the dynamic, you have done the
I've
static one
done
also.
it. I've done static and dynamic.
Yeah, yeah. So you just do once again so that you can get practice.
Okay.
Yeah. So see the code here. See, in this case, to verify the dynamic drop down button, in this it block, we are adding the visit. We are opening this air in. Okay. Now, if I go to this and I right click here, inspect it, and I just want to find locator for this one. So if you can see here, see this is locator for this one. Can you see? See, placeholder for from is there. You can choose either placeholder. You can choose either type or title, whatever easy you want. You can just choose. You can also choose the ID. Can you see the ID here? ID from. So just click Control F. You will get the one string here. So for ID from, you can just use the shortcut for this ID. Just give the hash arrow down from here. Hit enter. This from gets selected here. So here I am getting two, one of two. Can you see here? So here in this case, what I have used, instead of using directly, I use this method, input ID from. The whole formula I have written, like
Sir, this
input.
formula is also called as a XPath,
No, this one is not XPath. This
or
one is
XPath is a
change the selector.
different thing.
XPath is
XPath.
different one. Yeah, we haven't covered that one,
Okay.
Yeah. So input ID equal to from. So now one of one I am getting here. Previously I am getting two of one, one of two. So I have to use that one. I want one of one. That's why I use this one. Copy this one. So I already mentioned here. So whenever you are writing or you want to enter some string into the text box, you write type A. So what happened once you write like this type A? So in this locator, the A get printed like this. And why I am choosing A here? Because by choosing A, I need the suggestion box. Like which country or airport name starting with A you want to select. That's why I put A here because I want to select some airport like I have already selected here, like by the name of Agra. That's why I put here A to get selected this Agra here. Okay. Now once I get this list of all the airport names starting with A, so Agra is here. Okay. Now how this Cypress or this tool know where exactly Agra is? Because in this A there are lots of airport name is there. Got it? So in that case again you need to choose the each iterator. So before each iterator we use this find and this value. So here this one is your parent locator and this one is your child locator. So how I know this one is the parent one? So just go here, just click A, you will get this suggestion box. Just click the arrow here, or just do one thing. Just click here Agra. Okay, now yeah, Agra. Right click here, go to inspect. Now see Agra gets selected here. I want this string to get entered into this text box. Now Agra is there. Now I want to select the locator for Agra. So I can say this locator class UI corner all for class and ID. This one ID I'm getting here. Can you see? And for this Agra, again I'm getting one ID here, like locator, class UI menu item. So if you see here, if I close, this one is open. Can you see this arrow? This one is open. If I click this here, this one is closed now. So again, I can see this UL, this one is list. Okay, now I close this one also. Okay, now what happened? If I open this one, I'm getting this UI menu. So for each and every airport name, I'm getting this same UI name. Can you see this UI name? I just open this one. See, for each and every airport name, this class UI menu item is same for all. I just click here. See, Abu Dhabi, this one is same for the full airport Ghana, the same UI menu item. So this class name which containing all the airport names are same. Okay, so this one is the child locator. Okay, this one is child locator. So I want to search the parent one. So how to get the parent one? If I go up, you have to check it out like where it is closed here, you know. If I close this one, it goes inside this box. Okay, so I need to search the parent one. So if I click, the menu item is there. This one is your UL, correct? So go up. Is there anything that this should be open? Not yet. This one is UI item. Agra is there. This one is the child one UI item. Now I want to search the parent one. So see, for child one, I have selected this UI menu item. Okay. Now for this child, the parent is UI ID2. This is the parent one. So why it required the parent one? See carefully here. This one tricky. ID2. If I just copy this one, if I go here and just paste it here. See, I am getting this line here. Can you see this line? ID2. Can you see? Hello?
So
Okay.
The yellow line, right?
Yeah, this one is ID2. If you open this one, if you click this one, you will get all the menu items. Like if I click this one is getting again this one. So this one is your parent one.
but I'm not getting how to find parent one.
Yeah. Let me see. See what happened. For example, see there is one class. This one is a locator. Okay. This one is locator, and inside this locator, you will get this Agra one, the airport name. You want to
Right,
pick this value, correct?
right.
Okay. Now, what you want, Cypress? You are telling Cypress that I want to pick this string, Agra, but Cypress doesn't know where Agra is.
Right.
Okay. So likewise, if I want to send some message to my friend by post, so I cannot send directly. Before sending, I have to mention his name and address so that that post would reach on same address, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
same concept. You are telling Cypress that I want to pick this value Agra. So Cypress asking you, give me the address, give me the address of Agra, because Cypress is not intelligent that you just want Agra, it will give you. Before that, you have to give some address of Agra. So this locator is a address. Got it?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
what happened in your case, dynamic drop down, you will find the same class name for each and every locator. You will find the same class name UI menu item
Right.
for different address, like hundred of, like for Agra, for Britain, for different countries.
We need to find unique locator, right? For
Exactly,
the
exactly. So this is for different, like Agra, it's like Delhi and XYZ. Everyone having the same class here. Okay.
right,
So to get rid of this one, I want Agra, but the menu item is same for this Britain also, for Delhi also, for other countries also. Okay. So what I'll do, I cannot use UI menu directly, like cy.get. This was class. So for to write the class locator, you have to write on dot shortcut dot UI menu item like this. You cannot write like this.
right,
And just here, you just should not can say click that link. That directly click Agra. Like if you want to click this Agra, you cannot use cy.get UI menu item click. It will get confused
right.
because in your DOM this UI menu item is not single.
Mm,
Okay, so to avoid such thing, what we do, we use here the find function dot find. So basically, what find do, like there, see, among these 100 class locator, there is some parent one also there. The parent managing all these locators. So let assume that this one is your parent locator. And before that, how would you know that this one is parent? Because when you close this one, this locator, this all menu would come inside this one. Okay?
okay, okay,
Yeah. What I'm saying, close and open, like if you go to this one, if you see here carefully, see I close, this one is open. Just click this arrow here. This one is get close here now. Open. See the Agra get open here. Got it?
yes,
So for this Agra, this one is the locator, and again this one is the parent one for this locator UI menu item. Can you see? If I close, this Agra goes inside this one. If I open, you can see the Agra here. So this one is the parent. Inside the parent, there is a child of this locator. Inside this locator, Agra is there.
right.
Got it?
Yes, yes,
Now, what I am doing here, this is my parent locator. Okay. Now, inside this parent locator, I am having these child locators. But this is not a unique one. There are many child locators inside this locator. But I want to select the Agra, which is unique one. So what I'll do, I'll just write on one parent locator, cy.get, and I just write on the locator, the parent locator. This is my parent locator. Now remember one thing: this find always followed by get. You cannot use like this cy.find. Got it?
okay,
Find always followed by get. So what you are telling? See, inside this parent locator, I am finding this locator. I want this locator. Got it?
yes,
But this locator is not unique. So you cannot click
Right.
directly. Yeah, so in that case, you use the each iterator here. El index or list. You write it like this. Okay. You giving the factor operator here. Now inside that you are telling, you're giving one, you're just defining one variable, constant airport, for example, airport name equal to, now whatever be the airport name coming here, you just is coming here el. So it is, you are converting into text here, el dot text. Now all the airport name inside this, you know, locators UI menu item, it comes here now in this air name, airport name. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am using was if condition. If my airport name includes dot includes Agra, which one? Agra. Then I want to select the Agra. So I am writing here cy dot get. Now I am wrapping cy dot get. See, I am writing here cy dot wrap el click cy dot wrap el dot click. Now I am using this click function here. So why I am writing this wrap here? Because you cannot click element directly, because text is a jQuery function. You are converting your locator into text using jQuery function. So if you want to click that el, you cannot click directly. So that's why you are wrapping that one using wrap function. Got it? Now, if you have 100 child locators, if your child locator contain this Agra, you can click the Agra here. So this each iterator iterate 100 times, you know. Once it find the Agra, it will go to this if block. If it is true, it will come here and click it. This is the concept of each iterator, and to find the any string using dynamic dropdown.
Sir, I didn't understand the function of wrap. What exactly?
Grab, see why we are, see this element we converting using, like, whatever locator is there inside this element, we are converting by using the text function, and the text
Right.
function is a jQuery function. So you cannot click directly to this element, el. That is why to click this el to get Agra get clicked, so you have to first wrap it and then click. You cannot directly click this el, cy dot, like this cy dot get el. You cannot write like this because el is not your locator. So first wrap it and click it. So you can also write includes, and you can also use double, like, this equal to sign. Got it? Hello?
Yeah,
Yes.
Vivek is not there. I think he left.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, I'm here.
Vivek, you understand what I am teaching right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Any doubt till now?
Not it, sir.
Okay, now we'll run this one and see what happens. I'll say just save it. I just go to. A clicked. We use cvi.log to print all the airport names. Why this Agra is not getting clicked? Let me check the Agra is matching or not because they have changed. I think so. This one is Agra Kireno. I'll just copy this one. I'll just remove. I go here to my code and I just copy here and paste it because sometimes they change. So if we use else, then we can get that it's not same. Just little slow. Yeah, now they have changed. Like previously it was Agra Khera Airport AGR in India. Now they have changed to Agra Khera Airport AGR India. Again they put E in here, IN. Can you see? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah, copy this one.
they changed what the
Yeah, they
ID.
only they only updated this
What did they?
IN after India.
Yeah, even last time we did it,
Yeah,
it
we did it.
changed.
Yeah,
I think maybe it's dynamic.
yeah, it's a dynamic.
It's it's changing.
Yeah, it's changing. It's very slow now. This one I'm closing C block. Okay, now I'll just save it. Again, I have to open the test runner. Now see, to open the test runner, we have read npx cypress open.
Hello?
Yes, Obey.
Hello?
Yeah, Obey.
Yeah, let me share my screen and show you something.
Yeah, once again, first I run this one, then you can share.
Okay.
Yeah. Now see here. Can you see?
No,
Vivek, Deepa, Obey.
I cannot see your screen.
You cannot see the screen, Deepa?
No.
Once again.
Okay. Okay.
So whatever I am explaining, you haven't seen that one. This thing you haven't seen. Hello.
Yes, I can see now.
See, this is the result.
Yes.
Deepa, Vivek. Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yes.
Yeah. So you understand now how to find the locators using this child and parent concept.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, wait, can you share your screen? I'll stop sharing.
Okay. Sure. All right. Can you see my screen? Can you see it?
No,
Hello?
no, no,
Can you see?
no.
Okay, let me share again then. Don't know.
Let me stop my sharing. I think my I haven't stopped.
Okay.
1 second. No sharing. Yeah, you
Have you
can.
stopped?
Yeah, you can share now.
Okay. Can you see? Can you see my screen?
You just wait. It's
Now it's visible.
Is visible?
Yes, yes.
not for me.
Okay. So this is
Yeah.
what
1 second.
not
Okay,
for
not for
you?
me. It's only showing Joseph is presenting.
Okay. Let me stop it. Are you sharing your window or entire screen?
I was sharing my entire screen,
Okay.
but I have stopped sharing right now. Clear?
Can you see
Yes, sir.
But I don't
Okay, sure.
might be.
Cypress?